right now, as you're watching this, you're inside a perspective. You don't feel it. You can't see its edges. And that's exactly why it feels like the world. You don't remember when you stepped into it. Only that one day, everything felt closer. Not wrong, not painful, just closer. As if the walls shifted inward half an inch, and you adjusted without noticing. The room you were standing in slowly became the size of your reality. And when something felt unsettled inside you, you didn't question the room. You assumed something inside it was missing. Have you ever opened a refrigerator in the dark? The house is silent, the kitchen barely visible. You pull the handle, light spills out. White, contained, defined. For a moment, it feels like clarity, like you've stepped somewhere else, somewhere certain. You stare at the shelves, not because you're hungry, but because the light feels like perspective. It feels like proof that there's more than the darkness. You scan every item, top shelf, middle, bottom drawer, as if one object, just one, might explain the quiet discomfort you can't name. Nothing does. But while the door is open, it feels different because the light is on. And when something is lit, it feels true. You close the door. Darkness returns. The kitchen reappears, unchanged. You are in the same house, the same night. The fridge never took you outside the room. It created a smaller room inside a larger one. And because it was illuminated, it felt bigger. That's what perspective does. When you're inside a belief, it feels structural. When you're inside a season of life, it feels permanent. When you're inside a limitation, it feels factional. You don't experience it as a perspective. You experience it as reality. And the unsettling part is, you don't know you're inside it. Expansion, the deeper disturbance. You think you're evaluating the world, but you're evaluating it from inside a room. You think you're seeing clearly, but you're only seeing what the current light allows. And because it's illuminated, it feels complete. You don't question the edges of something you can't see. You just live inside them. The fridge light never changed the kitchen. It only defined a smaller space within it. And sometimes the things you call clarity, it's just a smaller container with better lighting. So the next time something feels final, notice the light. Notice what's illuminated. Notice what isn't. And ask yourself, am I seeing the whole structure? Or am I standing inside a perspective that feels absolute because I can't see its walls? How long have I been calling this room the world? And if this is just one room, what does that say about everything I'm certain of?